Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 334, increasing triplet subsequence. Given an integer array nums, return true if there exists a triple of indices I, j, k such that basically I comes before j and j comes before k, and nums of I is strictly less than nums of j is which is strictly less than nums of k. If no such indices exist, return false. So this is gonna be true, and this cannot be true because this is just a decreasing sequence. This is like basically the numbers written in a descending order, and this is true because look at the last three ones: 0, 4, 6, and there are other instances where 1, 6, 4, 6, and and even 2, 4, 6. Which can turn out to be which that's why that and then we will be able to find the triplets for that. So for this one we're gonna have initially we're gonna have two variables. Let's call them small and big. The small, and both of them we're gonna set them as a bigger integer values, like integer dot max underscore value, and the same goes with for the big uh, integer dot max value. Okay, integer dot max value. So once we have that, we're gonna go through all the nums inside the nums. What we're doing is, like, if the n is less than equal to, if that particular number is less than equal to small, the first thing we want to be looking for the small one. If that is the case, we're gonna update our small to n. Otherwise, if that is not the case, if n which we are looking at is not less than or equal to, if this is not less than or equal to the small one, what we're gonna be doing here is, like, we're gonna say that so basically n is greater than the small one, right? And we want to check if the n, if it is greater than the small one, if it is greater than, if it is smaller than bigger one, like the big one. If n is less than equal to big one, then we're gonna update our big number to n. And the last thing, if all of them are true, that means it is greater than small and greater than big, we're gonna just return true. If we come out of this loop and still hasn't sent true back, that means we're gonna be returning false. Looking good. And it works.